Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cook the Nourishing Conch and Cantaloupe Soup using pressure cooker. Please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipes of other yummy food. The complete recipe is in description underneath the video. Dry corn is available in most Chinese herbal stores. We will need to wash the corn first, then soak it in water overnight. Cut pork into bigger pieces. Place into a pot of cold water, then bring to the stove to boil. Remember, we always blanch meat from cold water and blanch for a few minutes. Then wash and rinse the pork using tap water. Then drain well. Save the water from soaking the corn. Then clean the corn by using a small knife to scrape off the dirt and remove the unwanted stuffs inside the corn. Cut off these black stuffs. Remove these unwanted stuffs inside. Cut the cantaloupe in half. Remove the seed inside. Cut the skin off. Then cut into bigger chunks. Cut 2 slices of ginger. Pre-soak the orange peel in water, then scrape to remove the white stuffs underneath the skin. Place all ingredients into the pressure pot. Add the corn soaking water first, plus another 1.5 liters of hot water. Close lid. Pressure cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, naturally release pressure for 15 minutes. And carefully release pressure and open the lid. Add salt to taste. The conch and cantaloupe soup is ready to serve. Enjoy!